All right, fast forward into August. Now, this was another work trip. After work, now in August, right, it stays light till almost 10 o'clock here in the Pacific Northwest. And I just happened to have time to go hit a new fishery. Never fished there before. And it was funny, I ran into somebody on the way out. Looked like a guy that had been fishing this place a long time. And he kind of looked at my setup and he says, you know, you need the smallest flies possible and you probably want to use 6 or 7X. I'm like, all right, maybe I'll give that a try. But I took my 2X leader and my great big streamer that I was using. I think I was using a small yellow dudgeon, and I hooked into one of the biggest brown trout that I've caught this year. It was incredible.
There we go. Nice. It's a good fish too. Wow, that's a large fish. Oh, nice. Wow. Look at that thing. That is a large brown trout. Holy smokes. Jeez. No denying about that. This guy. Oh. He is a heavy, hefty fish. Wow. Oh.